Do you need to spend double the amount of money for Zara jeans when it compares to the H&M jeans? In specific, the basic jeans I am talking about. What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you guys are going to see the differences between the H&M versus Zara basic skinny jeans, in specific black basic skinny jeans. These differences may apply even to the slim category as well, except for the fit. The remaining categories of the video stays the same. Starting with the materials for the H&M jeans. For the H&M jeans, actually it's 80% of cotton and it have an 18% of polyester and 2% of elastane to it. So it is not entirely made of cotton and elastane. It have a mix of polyester to it. Zara do have 98% of cotton and 2% of elastane to it. So the elastane stays the same. And from H&M, these are called the stretch basic skinny jeans, whereas from Zara, these are just called the basic skinny jeans. When you are comparing both these jeans, the category number 2 which we need to focus on would be rise of the jeans and also length of the jeans. Coming to rise of the jeans, both the H&M and Zara, they are categorized as the mid-rise. In case if you don't know what exactly is a mid-rise, there are 3 types of rise when it comes to the jeans. Anyway, I'm making a separate video when it comes to the jeans, like the complete denim guide. However, for this video, there are 3 categories of the jeans. The number 1, high waist. High waist is something which you don't see often when it comes to the men's jeans. However, the second one, the mid-rise, this is the most preferred options. In case if you're not sure about what exactly the rise you need to go for, the best approach and a safer approach is to go for the mid-rise options. And the third one would be the low rise. Here both of them are the mid-rise, which sits at the middle of the waist. However, the high waist, it sits above the waist, whereas the low rise, it sits below the waist. But there is one minor difference between both of these jeans. H&M, even though being a mid-rise jeans, it sits a little bit more than the mid-rise, not entirely a high waist jeans, but sits a little above, slightly above the waist. Whereas when it comes to Zara jeans, it fits generally how a mid-rise should fit. So having said the differences, now quickly move into the length of the jeans. When it comes to the H&M jeans, the best part is that you can select the jeans according to your inseam length options. In case if you want to customize the length based on how tall you are and how long your legs are, here you have the inseam length options availability, whereas when it comes to Zara basic jeans, you do not have the inseam length options. But do remember that even though they do not have the inseam length option, the inseam length is not too long. It have an inseam length of 31, and even though it's marked as 30, I went with the size of 32 by 30 for this one, and I went for 32 for this one. So the waist size is same. Even though it's marked as 30, both are actually 31 for inseam length. So there is no absolute difference at all. However, in case if your inseam length is 32 or 34, that is one factor you need to consider when you're going for the Zara jeans, because it may be a little bit cropped or it may look like an ankle length jeans for you. If not, you're good to go. Coming to the fit and comfort, if I have to be fair for both of them, both fit absolutely well, guys. For a skinny jeans, it fits generally how a skinny jeans should fit. I'm not going to comment on the slim fit jeans, whether the differences are going to be subtle as much as for the skinny jeans. But for skinny jeans, of course, they both fit you so well. But still, there are few minor differences when it comes to both of the jeans. The number 1, I think I will start from Zara. For Zara jeans, actually the fit is even better when compared to the H&M jeans because of the compositions which I touched in the category number 1. It is having this 98% cotton and 2% elastane to it. And when it comes to the Zara jeans, they fit you tight throughout the leg. That's how a skinny fit jeans should fit, right? If that is your preference, hands down, Zara skinny jeans are the best option for you guys. However, I do observe some inconsistencies among the Zara jeans as well, because I'm doing a haul on these Zara jeans and I also got a Zara basic skinny jeans in this blue gray color, which they released this season only. This color they do not have in the previous season. This fits me so well when compared to the black jeans. Both are made in Morocco and both are the same Zara basic skinny jeans. Both are of same length and waist size is same, but this fits me a little loose when it comes to the ankle area. Actually, Zara skinny jeans, they fit even throughout the leg. But for this black jeans, actually I have a little bit more room. When it comes to this jeans, they fit me so well. I'm not sure about that inconsistency, but just I wanted to point out that. If you're stoked about watching Zara jeans haul and also a denims guide, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and if you're enjoying this video, a like would be wonderful, guys. When it comes to the H&M jeans, I have mixed opinions. The number 1 what I liked in this jeans in terms of the fit, being it a little bit high-waisted jeans that fits you well and that gives the flattering appearance, even being a skinny jeans. And number 2, this one, unlike the Zara jeans, even being a skinny jeans, it doesn't fit tight throughout the leg. it have a little bit room when it comes to the ankle area. The slight room for this jeans they have at the end of the ankle area. It helps you improve the versatility, because in case if you want to style this jeans with the boots or a chunky sneakers, it may help, because like chunky sneakers and boots, if you're going for a skinny jeans, those may not be the best options to go. However, when it comes to the comfort, I can easily say that Zara jeans are best among these two options because of the environmental factors. Both have a little composition of the recycled cotton, but H&M jeans for touch as well as for the feel, there is a little bit rough feel to it, not inside but at least for outside. But when it comes to the fit, it fits as well as the Zara jeans. Coming to the most important factor and the category number 4, it's the price. Let's start with the Zara jeans. Zara, for some weird reason, silently they are increasing the price of each and every category or piece of clothing since last 2 seasons. Post the lockdown, they are increasing their prices. The basic jeans used to be at a price point of 1990, and post the lockdown, the next season they have increased the price to 2290. Right now they bumped the price to 2490. Not only for the basic skinny jeans, for the other pieces of clothing as well when it comes to Zara. So it is priced at 2500, and you are gonna get those advantages in regarding to the comfort, in regarding to the fit. Even though you do not have an inseam length option, generally you are covered when it comes to the moderate or an average inseam length. However, when it comes to the H&M, these jeans are priced at $14.99. H&M is always about budget friendly options, and it doesn't stop there. Because H&M is available in Myntra, here and there you get an extra 10% or 15% on the new arrivals. Also on top of that, you may find the card discounts, which makes this price somewhere close to 1000 rupees. And for 1000 rupees, if you consider the Zara jeans, which is priced at 2490, even if you consider you got this at a price point of 1200. Zara jeans is essentially double as much as the H&M jeans. Now, let's talk about whether it is worth double the price when it compares to the H&M and Zara basic jeans. I feel that it's not, guys. Honestly, I am a big fan and I love Zara jeans a lot. But when I consider the price points and what you're gonna get for that price points, I think you will be good to go. Yes, there is this important factor called durability and how long the jeans last, but I was using H&M jeans since last 1.5 years. In all my videos, if you have seen any black jeans, I was using H&M jeans only. It lasted me a good 1.5 years. And I also do have Zara basic skinny jeans in the blue color as well as the white color. So it also lasted me the same time, and they both look same at this point of time. I just wanted to replace my black jeans. In case if you want to do that for H&M, you can replace this at a price point of 1200 rupees. I got this for 1200 rupees on Myntra. Whereas if I have to get Zara jeans, I need to pay 2490. Do not waste that money and invest in a H&M basic jeans, which you can get it easily at a price point of close to 1000 rupees. You are gonna get the best fitting jeans and different color options to select, and also the material composition. Even though it have a polyester to it, it is fine because it have a cotton composition of 80% and 2% elastane, and it is having a slight stretch to it. And on top of that, because of a little extra room at the end of the leg area, it is versatile when compared to the Zara basic skinny jeans. However, in case if you have the budget to go, if you are a big fan of Zara, and also if you want an absolutely best fitting skinny jeans with tight fitting throughout the leg, Zara should be the best option. But if you ask me, in case if you want a good fitting black jeans, which is more than optimum when it comes to quality and also budget friendly, I think H&M basic black jeans or whatever color you want may be the best option to go. I hope you guys found this video useful and informative and also helped you to make your purchase decision when it comes to the basic jeans. If it did so, don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to this channel. That's it from me. See you guys next time.